Hello, my name is Tabby from Local Marketing Co. My partner Cody called and spoke with you guys today. So I just kind of want to give you an overview of like what we're seeing as your online presence and just a few like marketing tips on how to increase that. So starting off, what I did notice is only a Facebook page, and it doesn't look like it is really up to date because I see 2015 as the most recent post. I also see you guys do have a website listed here, but when we go to it, nothing shows up. It has like a little error code up here. So it makes it kind of hard to have traffic to a site that's not active. But when we search Gravel Arlington, you guys do show up on the map pack, which is really great. It's good for people who like to use that map to kind of see what's near them. So that's really helpful that you guys are showing up there, but you guys do have a few competitors in the area, so we kind of want to dive in and look at some of those. So one of these competitors is Reese. Looks like they do similar things with like gravel and sand, things like that. They do have a pretty nice website, and it'd be nice if you guys got one up and running that could compete with that to kind of build in more clientele for you guys. So that is one of your competitors. Looking at their stats, they are ranking for a bunch of keywords, and they're getting quite a bit of traffic from those words onto their site. So looks like they have about 66 people coming per month to their site, but their stats right here aren't that good. So definitely, if you guys got a site built out with correct search engine optimization, you could totally outrank them when it comes to that word Gravel Arlington. Some of the keywords they're ranking for are pretty vague. One I did notice is, I believe it was down, where did it go? Oh, they are ranking for your guys' name, so people are searching you on Google. It looks like you get about 40 searches a month. So being present on the web and having a website would really help close some of those potential people that are actually searching for you. Um, so that is something, again, I recommend getting up there. Another competitor you have is Lens Enterprises. Their website, what I can see, is not secure. So again, it'd be something really simple to beat in the competition. Looking at their stats, they're not doing much of anything search engine optimization wise, so it would be pretty easy to outrank them and pull in some of their like potential clients if we get you a site and get it ranking. Some of their keywords are like Gravel Marysville, Washington. About 20 people per month search for that. And Marysville Gravel, about 10 people a month. So these are all like potential people that are searching for those things. They want gravel in the area. They're wanting that. So they have an intent to buy, and those are potential customers that you could have. So again, that's just looking at some of your competition in the area and just some ideas what you guys can do marketing wise to bring in more business to your company. So hope you enjoyed. It was just a quick little video for you guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we'd be glad to help you boost your online presence if that's what you're looking for. Have a great day.